Welcome to this CPD Mash Bite. In this video, we will be exploring how you as a teacher can use the tools and resources in Purple Mash to kickstart the school day and get your children thinking. We will be exploring activities and ideas you can have ready to go on the board that will focus children on independent thinking and learning. The first tool we'll look at is To Challenge. To Challenge is found here in the Teachers area in the Tools tab. There are dozens of pre-made ideas in maths, English and topic, and you can create your own. Let's dive into the maths examples. You can choose which of these number options are best for your class, and then down the left-hand side you will see a number of different pre-made examples that you can play to display on the board. Children could perhaps complete these activities using a small whiteboard or in an exercise book. You can duplicate a question and change the numbers by selecting which cards you want to edit and selecting the number range for your class. This will then randomly generate a new set of numbers in that number range when you click the refresh button. Don't forget, you will need to save your edited version in your My Work file so you can access this again another day. Let's look at the English examples now. There are a variety of different grammar and spelling options here that provide a stimulus for understanding word types or for practicing basic spelling. The topic-focused ideas are also brilliant to stimulate thinking around your foundation curriculum areas or for logical thinking. Another idea for early morning work might be to use the new To Be Safe slides to get your class thinking about staying safe online. These resources are built around the 8 themes from the Education for a Connected World framework and are designed to equip children and young people for digital life and the digital world. There are slides and activities from reception to Year 6, and each 15 to 20 minute session contains a teaching PowerPoint, which can promote discussion, thinking and reflection about the importance of staying safe online. What about starting the day with some reading on your class topic? The Dorleen Kindersley non-fiction texts will inspire even the most reluctant readers to find out more on a variety of topics, from dinosaurs to plants or life in ancient Greece to the effects of climate change. Each non-fiction text has an accompanying quiz that tests children's understanding of the text and also a printable set of comprehension questions. Using the maths games are another brilliant way to kickstart a maths lesson, for example, by practicing basic computational skills. The times table tester and monster multiplication are so much fun and will really embed the times tables with your class. Why not have a times table sing-along with table tunes?
1 times 8 is 8. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
To Race is also very popular and works well as a whole class activity, although it may get a bit noisy. Developing Tray is another fantastic way to hone the textual decoding skills for your children and works brilliantly as a whole class activity on the whiteboard. There are loads of pre-made text examples, or you could create your own using a class text and choosing which words you want the children to be decoding. These are just a few of the ways that you can kickstart each school day with Purple Mash. If you want to explore these ideas further, why not book a free Mash chat with one of the teachers on our CPD team via the link on the Too Simple website.